Welcome to Language Skill Enhancement in the topic of gastronomy. Part 1. Listen to the information provided in Part 1, and then choose the correct answer on the Google form. Gastronomy is the study of how food and culture are interconnected, thus, understanding food culture is fundamental knowledge that we should possess. Essentially, culture refers to the way of life or common practices of the majority of people in society. It encompasses practices related to food, costumes, language, traditions, rituals, and works of art. These aspects result from learning and imitation, passed down from generation to generation within a society. Each locality has its own unique culture. Question 1. What is not practiced in food culture based on the provided essay? A. Passing down culinary traditions from generation to generation. B. Wearing traditional costumes during special food-related events. C. Learning and imitating the language spoken during meals. D. Creating new works of art inspired by local cuisine. Part 2. Listen to the information provided in Part 2, and then choose the correct answer on the Google form. Food culture is a set of food customs that develop as individuals learn and adopt family and societal traditions. It serves as the guidebook for establishing guidelines concerning food, encompassing cooking techniques, dining etiquettes, and a range of customs, practices, and beliefs related to food that have been passed down through generations and embraced by people in society. Question 2. What is not a conclusion of this essay? A. Food culture encompasses a wide range of customs, practices, and beliefs related to food. B. Food culture serves as a guidebook for establishing guidelines concerning food, including cooking techniques and dining etiquettes. C. The origins of food culture can be traced back to individuals learning and adopting family and societal traditions. D. Food culture has no impact on people in society and does not influence their food-related customs and practices.
Part 3. Listen to the information provided in Part 3, and then choose the correct answer on the Google form. There are three main factors that cause human food culture to change. The first one is natural resources and the environment in which they live. People rely on the natural environment to find food, water, minerals, chemicals, and materials for building. They also need different kinds of energy, like fuels. When the natural environment changes, the way they live and eat changes too. Question 3. Which phenomenon of natural resource and environment has the most positive impact on changing human food culture? A. Severe droughts reducing agricultural output. B. Abundance of fish in clean and unpolluted rivers. C. Frequent hurricanes causing crop damage. D. Deforestation leading to loss of wildlife habitat. Part 4. Listen to the information provided in Part 4, and then choose the correct answer on the Google form. The second factor is economic, which involves the shift from an agricultural society to an industrial one. This change incorporates improved communication technology, making it easier for communities to connect with the outside world and leading to the adoption of food culture from different regions. Additionally, education plays a role in promoting knowledge and safety awareness about food, which influences people to prefer familiar food choices. Question 4. How does education influence people's food choices, as discussed in the essay? A. By promoting knowledge of food safety. B. by encouraging the adoption of food culture from different regions. C. By advocating for increased industrialization. D. By emphasizing the importance of communication technology. Part 5. Listen to the information provided in Part 5, and then choose the correct answer on the Google form. Finally, socio-cultural factors include family institutions that encourage children to eat nutritious foods. Additionally, an imbalance in population size relative to available resources can lead to food shortages. Furthermore, ethnic diversity contributes to each group having its unique food culture training based on their ethnic background. Question 5. How does an imbalance in population size affect food availability according to the essay? A. It has no impact on food availability. B. It encourages the consumption of nutritious foods. C. It can lead to food shortages. D. It results in surplus food production.